and welcome back to Tea in the Deep Blue Sea with me, Victoria. Thank you very much for joining me. I've got a really exciting video for you today. I'm going to be setting up my Sea Monkey Super Set, a brand new tank available in the UK. Yes, it's a big Sea Monkey tank that is available in the UK. It is amazing. I am so excited to be setting this up. So today it's step 1, which is adding the water purifier, and there'll be a new video in 24 hours, which is step 2, which is adding the live instant eggs. Oh, I am so excited. If you haven't already, please hit the thumbs up. Remember to subscribe and hit the bell for notifications, and you'll be notified when I post the next video, which will be the eggs. I am so excited for this. I hope you enjoy the video. Thank you very much for watching and have a good day. So I am back, and this is my new Sea Monkeys Super Set, a new tank that has just become available in the UK, which is 3 times the size of a regular Sea Monkey tank. I did an unboxing video of this morning that I will link at the top here, and now I'm going to start setting it up. So if you've seen the unboxing video, you'll know what's in here, but in case you haven't, I'm just going to quickly run you through what is in here. There is the original Sea Monkeys card that has all of their details on. I will link their website down below where you can get one for yourself. There is a million bubble pump, which is purple, and it is so shiny and so pretty. So that's for aerating the tank. There is the Sea Monkey handbook, which has got the instructions on how to raise sea monkeys. And then we have a feeding spoon with a super cute sea monkey on. So cute, Mr. Sea Monkey. And then we have all of our glorious packets. So in here we have packet number 1, the water purifier. We have 3 of those because it is 3 times the size of a regular Sea Monkey tank. It is also made of glass and it makes such a nice noise. We have 3 lots of the Sea Monkey instant eggs, 3 lots of the Sea Monkey growth food. And now that this is available in the UK as well, we have the Sea Monkey plasma. So there are 3 lots of the plasma as well. So what I'm going to do to start this off is take a sip of my tea and then fill this up with distilled water. There we go. I'm going to leave a little gap at the top. Oh, it looks so pretty. It looks so nice and pretty. I am so excited by this. So we're going to put the water purifier in. Let's give that a little shake so nothing's caught at the top. Rip it open. And hey presto. So put all 3 of these in. So these will get rid of any nasty chemicals in the water and add the salts to it. So this is designed so you can use tap water when first setting it up. However, for the health of my sea monkeys, I'm deciding to use distilled water, which is what I top their tank up with anyway, which I distill at home, which if you want to learn how to do, I will leave a link to the video at the top here. Really easy and simple. So that is all 3 of the water purifiers in. So I'm going to use my million bubble air pump. Sorry, I have a cat climbing up the tripod. So we're just going to give that a stir. Test out the look at all of those bubbles. Oh, it's so nice. Just going to give that a stir, and that will take a little while to settle in. Oh, that air pump is so nice. It's so easy to use. It's so satisfying. And there we go. Look at all of those bubbles. So I'll be using that daily for aeration. Just give that a little bit of a stir. So I now need to wait 24 hours before adding the eggs. So this is going to be a very long 24 hours waiting to add these eggs because I'm just so excited. So that is day 1 of my super set, the brand new Sea Monkeys tank, now available in the UK. And this is the first ever unboxing and setup video on YouTube. So you are one of the first people to see this setup in the UK. I hope you have enjoyed the video. If you haven't already, please hit the thumbs up. like, subscribe, everything like that. I really appreciate all of your support. Thank you very, very much for watching, and I hope to see you in 24 hours to add the eggs. Thank you very much. Enjoy the rest of your day, and cheers.